Ford GT right now, and not any Ford GT, but Shmee's Ford GT, and he's in the passenger seat. This is insane. On probably one of the best roads in California, if not all of the West Coast, the Panoramic Highway. Twists and turns, just through the top of the mountain, dropping all the way back down to PCH. Incredible road, and the GT is just so dialed in, so perfect. Unfortunately, behind a local who's gingerly driving along, or I should say gently. This is by far one of the best driving experiences. The road, the car, this whole road trip, everything. It's amazing. Wow. I'm literally quite speechless right now. And that person stopped, so. And they're gonna pull off. Thank you. Have to be cautious of the massive rocks on the side. This road is insane. And the truck going 5 miles an hour.
This would be a cool filming spot, actually.
Yeah, it would be.
Coming towards the camera and then going up the hill.
Yeah. The sounds are amazing. The wastegate.
It's much cooler when you're in control of it, isn't it?
Yeah. that has to be one of the best driving experiences I've ever had. Driving the panoramic highway just north of San Francisco, back to back, in the 4GT with Shmee. And Tim, thank you so much. Just thank
Get
you.
my key back now.
Yeah.
My Mustang key.
Oh, is
Mustang
it?
GT key, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Well, your car is
Opens that one.
your car is amazing to drive, and I can't thank you enough for giving me the opportunity to get behind the wheel. And
You've done more miles in the passenger seat than anybody else.
Facts.
Time to drive it. Talking about Mustangs.
Same car,
Yeah, same car.
same key.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
Literally the same key.
Yeah, but that's it from the panoramic highway. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and check out Shmee's channel.
Cheers.
So we just filled up before the panoramic highway. It showed 214 miles for the tank. Average 8.4 miles per gallon. Going through this tank very, very fast.
Yes.
It's worth it. San Francisco in the distance, a tunnel coming up. This is gonna be good. That's so much better than the Euro spec. What a city. Straight down to Lombard Street. Okay, so we're back in the city now. We just drove one of the most beautiful scenic roads you could ever imagine. Just north of San Francisco, and now we're driving one of the most challenging roads in San Francisco.
Up the hills.
Yeah, take a look at this. In the
Like,
4GT.
Do you need the lift system?
Oh, 100%. Oh, that's scary.
Now we're pointing up the hill.
The best bit is when you come over the top, at the very, very top of this. What's next? This is the famous Lombard Street, iconic for San Francisco. Zigzags back down the hill. But these hills are so steep, you would not want to drive a car with a manual transmission. You see the Bay Bridge in the distance, and here we go.
One 4GT on Lombard Street.
There's a first for everything.
I wonder if there's been a 4GT driving down here before.
I highly doubt it.
I wonder if I could do a lift system down as well. I've got the lift up at the moment, but I would be a bit nervous.
Yeah, I would play it safe and just keep the lift up. Definitely no track mode. How cool is this? Nice G-Wagon in the garage right there. It's mad that people live on this street. I don't know. To each their own. I would never want to live on this street, but
Mostly because of the tourists and the traffic jams.
yeah, exactly.
And the difficulty of getting into your garage.
Yep.
So hard.
almost at the bottom now. Made it all the way down Lombard Street, twisty bit. In track mode. So cool. And the very last scenic bit, Alcatraz, the prison island. Very cool. So you can use the 4GT every day, even in San Francisco.
You can indeed. You've just got to watch out for all of these bumps and crazy bits. Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine if you went full speed into that dip.
Oh yeah.
Those would just be like, bye bye.
You'd be the Bullet 4GT. Lift up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Here we go.
Amazing views, left, right, and center.